religion is often inaccurate and
Go, Neil.
says it persuades stereotypes, and that statement it proven that it's not a good place to talk about religion because of these different statistics that I have gathered here.
You also mentioned some statistics which states that the media nasa yung mga fake news or other it's not as accurate. However, that's why in our curriculum, especially in senior high, we have some subjects for us to be media literate in order for us to know what is fake, what is true, what is real. That's why we have those in our curriculum. And of course, as students, we are responsible for that, for us to use media properly in order for us to use it positively. And again, today, in today's world, we are progressing and we need to embrace change. We need convenience. For example, okay. What's up?
Pau, pau, pau. Pau, pau, pau.
Go, go, go. So for me, media is not a place to talk about religion because we know that social media can give a very big impact sa atin. Like for example, it can create kami social media which is dagan kayo create biases. For example, dagan mo may religion in religion na to, mas pwede na ito dali. Pero lagi, we need to be media literate. We need to learn how to properly use. The more na we need to learn how to properly use the social media in order for us to grow in progressive and inspired students.
Guys, okay lang kami, guys.
Defending your cause, with impact, there are also researchers defending the social media is a good place to talk about religion and people because
Okay lang kami, guys. Audience, audience.
and interpret harmony in Pakistan.
Ah, grabe, oh my God.
There is a left dialogue and
Bahala ka, Dura.
we talk about religion.
Basta nakaretouch si Micah.
There's the dissemination of meditation and peace narratives. There's also community building and accessibility, empowering marginalized voices, because again, there are many religions out there that are small, that are able to practice religion because of social media. Because they don't have churches, they don't have the budget or the allocation of resources to fund all of these. That's why social media is there to help these religions. And
Go.
What if ang diversity ngayong ginasulti kay toxic na kaayo? In which, dili yung ka makakuan. Sure ka lang, for example, Gen Alpha, kung ka nang makuan na, kay, you know, kana sila, dili na din sila manuglaw. And so, mas efficient yun kung sulti ka face-to-face nila.